Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by collecting live radio data. Do that now. Enable cellular and Wi-Fi scanning, then open your scanner app and record cell ID, signal strengths in dBm, and visible SSIDs. Make sure timestamps are synchronized with your device clock, because later matching requires precise timing. Once done, move slowly while taking multiple readings from each spot to capture variation. This reduces noise. You are already doing the essential work. Capture raw measurements, export logs, and prepare for triangulation and database lookup. Next, you fuse measurements into a location estimate. Use at least 3 cell towers to triangulate, convert dBm to distance estimates, then apply weighted averaging so stronger signals influence position more. Simultaneously, submit SSID lists and RSSI values to a Wi-Fi positioning service or match them against your fingerprint database. Once done, reconcile cell-based and Wi-Fi-based estimates by calculating a confidence score for each. Pick the centroid of high-confidence clusters. Finalize by refining and validating your estimate. Add Bluetooth beacon scans or IP-based geolocation to tighten accuracy. Then compare the estimated position against visible landmarks or a quick manual check on site. Once confident, export the final coordinates with an uncertainty radius and a short note on methods used. If things go wrong, results jump or contradict, rescan the area, clear the app cache, and verify the device clock is synchronized. Often inconsistent timestamps or stale database entries cause major errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.